अस्सलाम वालेकुम guys, तुम्हारे सबाई केमन आछो केफल हाल लेकिन आप कैसे हो? So in this video I am going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make your own face scrub and face mask. Now don't you leave, because I am going to be showing you on how to make a face scrub and a face mask with coffee. Exactly, with coffee. And trust me, after I made it, I used it on my face. Trust me, it felt like magic. It felt like my face was glowing. It was clear, and trust me, you should make it and try it at least once, unless you're allergic to it. But don't worry, actually this allergy is not common, so anyone who drinks coffee can also, why not? Okay, people drink coffee, but why not use it on your face? So that's why I came up with this. So if you remember the last video when I did a eating video, I showed you how to make a coffee. So after that I was like, I should make something instead of drinking coffee. Why not put it in your face? So I'm here with it, and it was legit worked. I couldn't believe. So if you want to watch on how to make those scrub and mask, please keep watching. And তোমার সবাইকে আজকে আমি দেখাবো কিভাবে ফেস স্ক্রাব আর কিভাবে ফেস মাস্ক বানায় কফি দিয়ে। আর আমি ওই সময় যে আমি একটা খাওয়ার ভিডিও করেছি, আমি কফি বানিয়ে তোমাদেরকে দেখিয়েছি যে আমি কিভাবে খাই। আর এটা খাওয়ার পরে আমি ভাবতেছিলাম যে খেয়ে না মুখে দিলে কেমন হয়। তো আমি ট্রাই করেছি, ট্রাই করার পরে ট্রাস্ট মি, ম্যাজিক। আমার মুখ এত গ্লোই, এত সুন্দর, এত ফেয়ার, ইউ কান্ট ইমাজিন। সো যদি তোমরা এই টিউটোরিয়ালটা দেখতে চাও তাহলে ফুল লাস্ট পর্যন্ত দেখো। এন্ড এখন আমরা স্টার্ট করবো ভিডিও। সো লেটস গেট স্টার্টেড। And you guys must be thinking, what if you guys don't have the things that I'm going to be using? Guys, trust me, you should have every ingredient that I'm showing you right now, because these are the daily needs and cooking stuff. So I'm going to show you. So right here you can see I have all the things lined up. So I'm going to be using coffee, of course. This is the main thing here, okay? This is the main thing. I'm using Nescafe. And you need honey, sugar, and coconut oil. You can use any type of coconut oil. I'm using Parachute. And you need a bowl to stir it in, because you can use any bowl. And by the way, these are the ingredients for the two things, which is the body scrub or the face scrub and the face mask. And that's all you need for those things. So you can guess that you can make it at home now. So these are the ingredients. Now we are going to be mixing them together. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the face scrub, like the coffee face scrub. So the first thing you're going to be needing is the coffee. So okay, now I'm gonna tell you guys something. I am right now making a little, just for an example, but now the quantity of the coffee that I'm going to use might not be enough for your face. It depends on how much your face needs, like how much you need for your face. So I'm going to be just using a little. You can see this is a coffee, and I'm going to be pouring it. And after that I am gonna be using coconut oil. Now okay, before using the coconut oil you need sugar, because you can guess the consistency. So I'm not okay, so you guys might be like, without measurement, how am I supposed to know it is right or not? I'm going to be showing you the consistency after it's done of the scrub, and then you can just eyeball it. And now I'm going to be pouring sugar inside. You can see it's sugar in it, but make sure, okay, you guys might be like, how much sugar and how much coffee? So if you have to put, like, for example, you put 2 tablespoons of coffee, you can add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, like half of the amount of coffee you add. Now as you can see, we have our sugar and coffee in this. Now we are going to be diluting it with some coconut oil. You can see here. So I am going to be pouring in some coconut oil, and it's better to use the fresh ones. So you can see here I'm pouring it in. Now I am going to be stirring. Since it's a scrub, you know how scrubs are. They're not fully dissolved. They're just clumpy, and I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to be mixing it up first, and I'm going to be giving you guys a close-up. And I need a little bit more oil. I'm going to show you, don't worry. After mixing it, I'm just mixing it up. And after mixing, this is exactly what consistency you need to have a scrub. You can see it's not whole liquidy, but it's like a scrub consistency. So this is when you know it's done. So, and after, I'm going to be showing you on how to apply it on your skin. So I'm going to be showing it to you now. So first, what you need to do is, I'm going to use some tissue. You need to grab some of the scrub that you made, like on your hand, and you are basically, I'm going to be showing you an example on my hand, just so it can be easier for me to show you because I can't show face. But it's a bit messy, I know, but you need to just scrub it on your hand for about 1 minute, or scrub it on your face wherever you want for 1 minute in a circular motion like this, on a circular motion for 1 minute. And then after that you're gonna wash your face, and that is about it for the coffee scrub. You guys saw me making the scrub. So after you have used the scrub, now after using the scrub, you need to use the coffee face mask that I'm showing you how to make. So to make the coffee face mask, you need coffee and honey. So let me show you what to do. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna be using a new spoon because I want to use a fresh one. Why not? So first, you're gonna grab coffee, as you guys know from the last scrub that I made. So first, you're gonna take as much coffee as you need. Depends on your face. So as much as you need for your face. So I'm going to be, as I told you guys, it's just a demonstration. So I'm just using a little, and then you're gonna pour the coffee in, like so. And I'm gonna close this up, and this is the last ingredient. You need honey. So you need to have the pure honey. Make sure it's natural and not with other things. You just need the natural honey. So you're gonna use as much honey as it needs to be diluted or dissolved. So as you can see, I'm going to be pouring the honey in. This is the slowest part, but this is honey. And also, the people from Bangladesh, my brothers and sisters, this is called madhu. So you're gonna pour the honey in, and you need to pour as much as it needs to be diluted, as I said, or dissolved. তো তোমরা যতটুকু ইউজ করবে ততটুকু যাতে তোমার কফি মিক্সচারটা যাতে লিকুইড হয়, কেন এটা ফেস মাস্ক, ফেস স্ক্রাব না। ফেস ওকে রিমেম্বার, ফেস স্ক্রাবগুলি হচ্ছে লিকুইড হয় না, অ্যান্ড ফেস মাস্কগুলি হচ্ছে লিকুইড হয়, লিকুইড ফর্ম। এখন নাও উই আর গোইং টু বি মিক্সিং। এখন আমরা সব এটা মিক্স করবো, আর এটার কনসিস্টেন্সিটা হচ্ছে একটু ক্রিমি হতে হবে। এখন তো এটা দেখো, এটা হচ্ছে ড্রাই, তো আরেকটু হানি লাগবে। Now we are gonna see the consistency of it is dry, so we need some more honey. So as you can see, I'm pouring some more honey. You're gonna use as much honey as it needed to become like a face mask consistency. So I have poured in a little bit more of honey, and you can see that there's a big huge difference between the scrub and this face mask. You can see here the face mask is liquidy and it has a different consistency. আমি তোমাদেরকে সবাইকে দেখাবো এটা কিভাবে ইউজ করতে হবে। সো কি করতে হবে, প্রথম তুমি যে ফেস মাস্কটা বানিয়েছো ওটা তোমার আঙ্গুল নিতে হবে, and imagine koro jeta hocche amar face, okay? Imagine this is my face. So you're gonna grab a little and then apply it on your skin এভাবে তারপর তুমি এভাবে massage করতে হবে for 30 seconds and after massaging it এটা তোমার মুখে 1 minute বা যতক্ষণ এটা dry হতে লাগে actually এটা depends but যতটুকু এটা dry হতে টাইম লাগে অতটুকু dry হয়ে তারপরে পানি দিয়ে ধুয়ে ফেলতে পারবা and after 30 minutes or how much it takes the mask to dry you're gonna wash it off with water and then dry your face. And that was about it for the face mask. So guys, that was about it for the coffee face mask and the face scrub. And now অনেক মানুষ তোমরা ভাবতেছো যে তোমরা বানিয়ে রেখে দিতে পারবে নাকি? The answer is absolutely yes. So তোমরা বানিয়ে একটা air tight container রাখতে পারো যেরকম যেটার ভিতরে ক্যাপ আছে lid আছে. So you can store it in a airtight container and তোমার ফ্রিজে এটা রেখে দিতে পারবা for 15 days store করতে পারবা. You can store it in the refrigerator, not freezer, refrigerator for 15 days at least. And yeah, that was about it. যদি তোমাদের ভিডিও ভালো লেগে থাকে please subscribe, like, comment and share. আর don't forget to comment যে আমার কাছে actually অনেক আরো অনেক টিউটোরিয়াল আছে আমার যদি তোমরা দেখতে চাও আমি আমার স্কিনের যত্ন কিভাবে নেই what I use তাহলে কমেন্ট করে বলতে পারো আমি নেক্সট ভিডিওতে দেখাবো and if you like this video please subscribe, like, comment and share and don't forget to comment me on what kind of actually I have loads and loads of skin care routine because I use a lot of things for my skin and I have a lot of tutorials like this. So if you want to watch them, please comment down below and inshallah you're going to see that in the next video. And yeah, that was about it. And please thank you so much. I wanted to say thank you so much for supporting me. And if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, that is my username on TikTok, so you can go ahead and check me out there. And you know what I gotta say, peace.